Facing the WhatsApp is temporarily unavailable error on your iPhone? Don't worry, in this video I'll show you how to fix this issue step by step. Let's dive in. Before doing anything else, make sure you have a stable Wi-Fi or cellular data connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and cellular data to see if that resolves the issue. Try airplane mode on and off. After trying these basic things, if your issue is still alive, then follow these advanced solutions. Solution 1. Check down detector. First, open up the Safari browser. Next, tap on the search box and type down detector without any space. Tap on the first link. Then tap on the search icon from the top right corner. Now search WhatsApp. Next, tap WhatsApp from here. Then scroll down. Here you can see the officially WhatsApp app down or not. If not, then follow my next solution. Solution 2. Check WhatsApp cache. First, open up the Settings app. After that, tap General. Then tap iPhone Storage. Find the WhatsApp app. If you don't see it here, then tap on Show All. Here you will find the WhatsApp app. Tap on it. Now tap on the Offload app. Again, tap the Offload app to confirm it. Next, tap Reinstall it. Solution 3. Reset Network Settings. Open Settings, tap General, scroll down, then tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. After that, tap Reset. Now tap Reset Network Settings. Then enter the passcode of your iPhone if it wants. Tap Reset Network Settings again. After the resetting network, go ahead and check whether your problem is solved or not. Hope this helped. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.